How to fix payment unsuccessfully on Roblox mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're having trouble with payment issues on Roblox mobile, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the payment unsuccessfully problem on both Android and iOS devices. We'll cover some quick and easy solutions to get you back to enjoying your game in no time. First, what you have to do is go to your settings from the more icon on the bottom right, and then you'll have to tap on account info. And if you have not verified your email and your phone number, you have to verify it first. And then what you have to do is go to your Google account and make sure you add a credit card or debit card, and make sure that your payment option is valid and has sufficient fund. Now, what you can do is go back to your Roblox account and then tap on this option beside your bell icon, and there you'll have the buy option. So you can do it from there if your account is loaded with balance. However, even if it doesn't work if you have balance, and what you can do is log out of your Roblox account and log in again, or even restart the device. And if that also doesn't work, uninstall the app and reinstall it again, because keeping your app updated can prevent many issues. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.